Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Grammarly updated 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Grammarly. Over here, click on the official Grammarly website. After that, click on Get Grammarly. Then, if you're new, create an account by entering your email and password. Over here, if you already have an account, just enter your email and click continue. After that, you can also choose continue with Google. Then you'll be taken to the Grammarly homepage. Over here, click on the apps option from the menu. After that, click on install for Windows if you're on a PC. Then, if you want to use it on a browser, click on install for Chrome. After that, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Over here, click the puzzle icon in the toolbar. Then click the pin icon next to Grammarly to keep it visible. After that, open Google Docs or any other text editor. Then start typing and you'll see the Grammarly icon appear. Over here, click on it and Grammarly will show you suggestions. After that, click on any underlined text to view corrections. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.